If you want to disable OneDrive syncing on Windows 11, this video will walk you through the quickest and safest way to do it. Whether you're trying to stop files from syncing to the cloud, reduce background activity, or simply keep OneDrive from launching every time you start your PC, you're in the right place. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, look down at the Windows 11 taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually in the system tray near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and then select the OneDrive cloud icon from there. Once OneDrive opens, you'll see its small control window. Next, click the gear icon in the OneDrive window. This is where Microsoft keeps the app's settings and account options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. That will open the OneDrive settings panel where you can manage syncing, account details, backup options, and startup behavior. Inside settings, make sure you're on the account tab. This tab shows the OneDrive account that's currently connected to your Windows 11 PC. Here, you'll find the option to disconnect the device from OneDrive. To stop syncing, click Unlink This PC. This is the key step because it disconnects your computer from your OneDrive account and prevents files from continuing to sync automatically. Windows will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click Unlink Account. Once you do that, OneDrive syncing will stop on your Windows 11 device. Your files will remain on your computer, but they will no longer sync with your OneDrive cloud storage unless you sign in and connect it again later. Now, if you also want to stop OneDrive from starting automatically when you turn on your computer, there's one more step you should do. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of options. At the top, open the Startup Apps tab. This section controls which apps launch when Windows boots up. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list. When you locate it, right-click it and choose Disable. This prevents OneDrive from launching automatically in the background the next time you sign in to Windows 11. And that's it. You've now disabled OneDrive syncing on Windows 11 and, if you followed the extra step, stopped it from starting automatically as well. This is a great option if you want fewer background processes, more control over your files, or you simply prefer not to use OneDrive on this PC. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.